there is a career fair every semester, at least in Colombia. Really good companies come in the fall semester career fair as compared to the spring semester career fair, because companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, they usually finish their hiring for internships by December. Most of them, at least, the big companies. So if you want to go for those companies, you should be a little bit prepared for the career fair, because you definitely get good amount of callbacks. I've got callbacks from a lot of good companies via the career fair that was held at Columbia. Columbia has a website called Handshake. There are a lot of job postings there too. And other than that, the career fair is a good place to start also. So I mean, there are a lot of different ways that you can apply for an internship, and you should apply actively anywhere and everywhere you can. Everybody that I know of got an internship. Yeah. Some of them got in really good companies like Uber and Oracle and Google, Facebook. Most of the people I know get software development intern roles because not everybody is that well versed with the machine learning part of it. Somewhere between $40 to $55 per hour. Most internships do convert to full-time jobs if you've done well in your internship, if you've done your project well, if you've left a good impact. At least 8 out of 10 internships do get converted to full-time. All companies are as intensive during the internship interviews as they are for the full-time roles, because they know that they might end up hiring most of the interns as full-time associates, so they don't slack there. So if you've done some amount of hard work for a full-time role, you had to do equal amount of hard work for the internship role too. So there is nothing different. But I mean, what I would say that you probably do end up preparing a lot more, because the pressure is a lot more when you are searching for a full-time job as compared to an internship. I wouldn't say that it's the defining factor, because I know a lot of people who came straight out of college and are currently working in really good companies like Google and Apple. So it's not like, I mean, it really depends on what you did previously, and also how you're performing right currently in your interviews. So somewhere around, you can expect between $85 to $120,000, $130,000 for the annual year.